Run.
Just as rude. We've left a little bit. Look, I see both the flags now, but
It was always even crazy back then. Yeah.
Keep going.
Life gets busy.
we're being followed.
We're being shot at.
Well, it's already
The man, you know the hell left.
they're shipping us right now. Yeah, I know.
No, I don't believe you. No, I'm kidding.
They're coming up to me.
Oh shit.
Right
Yeah.
ahead.
No, I forgot about that. I'm sorry. I don't know how I forgot about that. Yeah, I feel. I know. I vanished. I got out of the loop.
Get the flag!
And
Flag is up.
Check when ready! Make use of cover!
yeah, not really stressed. Fucking like tired of this stupid ass game.
He's a man. He's right there.
Alright, boys, we're gonna go and push him back from
17. You think I'm 17, Simons? Yeah. How old am I, Simons? How old am I? I'm 19, Simons. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me, Simons? You're out of the loop! You're out of the fucking loop too! Look at you! I got 2 years older on my birthday.
Pull back.
Pull back, rally up. Yes, Jason.
You're a goofball. I'm 19, sir. 20 next year. I'll be a big man.
Direction, please. North by northeast. Use rocks as cover.
It's not done. They'll have that question. No, it's Hunter. Corporal Hunter.
Fire.
I think it's his first time lane, so that's probably why they're sitting there.
I died.
Taking it slow.
This is gonna be chaos for me.
I know. Just make sure you're in the far farthest corner away from the battle.
You kill me, I kill you at the end of this?
Yes.
Okay, we got
Dagger,
RTB.
yeah, you
so-
drop it.
Okay. Rise up. Take aim.
Take that for a lap.
He's... Dark Knight's already crying.
I just don't know where the point.
Don't want to be able to need what milk.
Alright, okay. Battle lines to my right.
Battle
lines
line,
to
right,
the
right,
right.
right. Go, go, go. Come on, boys, quickly, forming up, please.
At the ready.
At the ready.
Guys, let's take aim.
Take aim.
South southwest down the hill.
Fire.
Reload.
We don't need a.
We gotta work them down. We gotta work them down to take losses, and this is safe. We're not dying. Okay.
Yeah, we only have.
I know it's not going, but
It's
working.
effective, guys.
Yes, I'm looking at you, Far. Or Mondays, whatever you are. I don't know
yeah,
you.
what are you? now?
Strange. What are you?
Funny.
You got eyes
Oh wow, that's a lot of them. Okay, boys. Rise up.
Coming.
Take aim.
They're coming. There they are, boys. Right there. Thank God that was
You're not
a
the-
good
okay,
goalie.
Check.
I got
Sergeant Whiskey falling in.
Master guns.
Zebby, take master guns. Take MS. Just a little bit more north.
There, boys, give me your battlefield awareness. Make sure you can see us.
Trying to get my bearings.
Come on, everybody.
Chunks of him went everywhere.
Gonna set everything.
Alright, I need to hop off. Simons? You have a good night, man. We'll catch up sometime. Alright, good luck, guys. Have fun on the event.
Thank you, as well.
Alright, peace.
There's no rule against hostages talking, right?
Yeah, now we're shooting down at him.
Check. Right,
I'm just trying. Like, I mean, we're not being like real trolly, but I mean, I don't want to be like, oh well, you can't be hostage anymore because you were talking. Oh yeah, no. I'm just being like, you suck, rebels.
Alright, stand up, everybody.
Yeah.
Echo ready, take aim.
That's not a volley. What do you call that?
Right now, we can try to put
right,
pressure
we have to go
on
all the way
that's all
down.
we need to do.
All right, just making sure.
Unfortunately.
But you seriously lost their touch.
Through the entire match, literally, so far, I have been grayed out.
Yeah, when can we rescue the prisoners?
Just northeast.
That's right next to him.
Yeah, it is. Go there, bounce, take your shots, come back.
Yeah, for the
They're moving.
Defend, hold
Hold
on.
on.
yeah, for the defenders or attackers.
Can we not get to that side?
Okay, got it.
Yeah, we can get there.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go. Let's go,
You
boys.
got a kill counter in real life.
God, there's a lot of them left. Ooh, that was a
Ooh,
good
that
shot.
was a beautiful shot.
Flash down the field behind us.
You're just right.
What do you say to me?
Alright, back up. Alright, let's go.
Here.
It's still taking losses, right? Okay, just in case they start yelling at us, kill them out.
They're still telling us to shut the hell up.
Shit, man, Sun War Machine, how are you?
I'm gonna fuck you, piece of shit! I got you! I'm a spy.
That was close. I just heard glass break.
Get to the rock again.
They're gonna come back! Run for your lives!
Friendly coming down the hill. Good job, Master
There
Guns.
was one guy up there taking pot shots at us.
He must have really sucked this shit before you facing him.
Yeah, that's right. Alright, let's go 15 minutes. I'll meet. We'll double quick on when it's too tired. Oh wait,
Oh, they're shifting right.
Shit, found it.
Yeah,
Shoot.
both flags.
Alright. Alright, here's good. Shoot. Alright, bound down.
Found down.
Yeah.
Independent fire on the fence.
We're about to get fucking flanked. Shit.
Damn, back out.
Is there nobody down there protecting that thing? Motherfucker, dude. Prison is exposed.
Yep.
Sitting on that stone wall right behind the house. You know, or the
Get behind the rocks as you can.
Massive troop movement northwest, heading north.
Northwest.
They're going down the road.
Then shoot him. There's about 3 shots, they're all dropping.
Holy shit. Oh my god, dude, I don't know how I'm alive.
Me neither. I just shot in there, right? I think we're the only ones left.
Well, what do we do now?
Colonel said that there's some guys at the White House from our regiment. I don't know what
What's that? Oh,
Do we take losses or
I
breaking?
think it's still taking losses, isn't it? Still, Master Guns?
They're sort of moving to the right, aren't they? Coming down that stone wall. At the same time, I don't know where to move.
Oh.
Has anybody got shots?
Yeah, still got a couple left.
Alright, one.
It's a field.
Fucking Christ, Mary Joseph.
Hell yeah!
Keep moving, keep moving.
We're down.
CC's here.
Hey, Dark Knight.
Stonewall Brigade on the can.
Stonewall on the fence.
If I was a little to the right, I would have checked.
Dude, you know, if you examine this,
Jumbo down.
You know y'all going down.
About food.
Up the hill, boys. Pushing on us from two sides, Kurt Tax. We gotta watch it.
you're right.
Yeah, guys, you want to shift it down over here.
What are you doing? Full line behind us. Those are
Yeah,
gangs,
I know.
correct?
I know, dude. We have 20th Georgia
Trying
on
to kill
dude.
us.
I can see.
I'm not staying there.
I need you on the line.
Bro, I was just killed.
Fence, boys, take it on the fence.
What the hell?
I just got killed, dude. The guy literally, I yelled at him. I was like, dude, you have to get out of the house, and he just came up and shot me point blank.
They're over back where they originally were.
You know-
behind
I think he's about to kill somebody else too.
Get
So,
the
what, do I
fuck
just
out
spawn
of
as a
the
private, or is that game over?
Hey, shut the fuck up! We got a
You
dude
shut
here
the
doesn't
fuck
know
up.
what. Hey, buddy, watch it.
house. Get the fuck out of the house.
Shut the fuck up! I'm making sure no one else is in here, asshole.
I don't give a fuck.
Shut the fuck up, Yankee prisoner. Stay down, stay down.
Oh, shut up.
They're looking out. We definitely want to move. Not sure if we're still
All right, fair enough.
Because that's some bullshit.
If I get shot again, I'm just gonna stay off the fucking game. That's annoying as fuck. I think it might have been because we were in there, saying the shit we were saying, but I mean, it really wasn't even that fucking bad.
Oh, not really. We were talking pretty much to each other, other than yelling help every once in a while.
Yeah, I mean, dude, it really was like minor trolling at best. Or, sorry, at worst. At best, it was just us being fucking stupid. Alright, I'm coming up on the house.
I told him so. That told my guys.
Alright, so I'm trying to go where the Union line isn't, so tell him I'm coming from up on the hill. Not to shoot me.
Yeah, do it. Make it happen.
Sounds like a good idea. Light B coming.
Company B, rise up.
On me, left face, double quick, forward march.
Company A, hold fire.
Going up.
I think probably in the future there should be like one fucking gatekeeper. Like one person from the CSA. They're just chilling here.
Probably, why would somebody else in the I'm just gonna keep the door closed. Yeah.
Oh, you know, these are somebody. Hold on. I think we're guys. Get guys.
Oh, Jumbo's
Well, I think I don't think he realized the rules. He's never fucking played with us ever. This is his first event with us. I don't know, man. I mean, you know, it's your event, so you know you enforce the rules how you want. But I'm just figuring you should know that.
Charge.
All right, yeah, that's fair.
They can't spawn on it.
Alright, reload and let's see if we shoot.
coming through.
I think both flags are now on the house, but if that one regiment stays in the rocks above it, we can just clear out the first bit of the house and then do it. But if both of them are there, it's not gonna fucking work.
You want us to swing low again?
See, that's the thing is, we can. It's gonna take too long for us to get around the other side.
All right.
Don't go in there, McFly.
I just
Someone just, yeah. Oh my fucking god.
Anybody who doesn't know, you're supposed to let the prisoners come out. You're not supposed to go in there. Nobody go in there, especially you dead Yankee fuckers. Well, one of y'all just killed another prisoner, so. Well, I don't know.
I only killed somebody outside.
So what do you want me to do?
Just at this point, just trying to private doesn't matter.
So,
On the
White fence behind the house, boys.
That's just fucking irritating. It's very simple rules.
Well, it also didn't help that the Union just came into the house with no reason, that's all.
I mean, if it had been a private and people were following him, that'd been one thing. But it was the fucking officer. What the fuck?
Actually, there was like 3 officers right there.
Do not be worried about that
fuck?
inconvenience, boys. You guys did fucking good. Blood and fucking soil.
Blood.
Alright, well, the Yankees are dead everywhere, so.
I got some Yankees moving southeast.
Shit happens, boys. Bloodlust. Just comes down.
Yeah, Yankees southeast, right up the hill.
This is the first game.
Yeah, southeast.
Hey, everybody taking the flags high behind the house.
I see one Rambo.
Yeah, flags up and over.
Far right.
And
Yeah, but
I'm with Stonewall Brigade, so I have a vested interest in seeing them win, and I mean that's kind of fucking bullshit. At the same time, though, Union officer was in there with a pistol, just shooting people while in the house while they were coming through the doorway. So I mean, I don't know how to fucking call that.
By volley.
there's not a lot of guys down there.
Honestly, I mean. Honestly, I mean,
Shake, Captain.
Get up, get up. Yeah.
But I was sorry, I'm getting hassled by the Confederacy. But no, man. I mean, again, I'm just as somebody who has been here for one night, I would probably call this round maybe a nobody fucking won, considering both sides grossly broke the fucking rules. But I don't know, man. That's again, you run this shit. I don't. That's just my opinion.
Stony, buenos días, ¿cómo estás, señor? Don't hit it, don't hit it. Are you a hostage? Are you a hostage?
Shoot him!
Yes, I'm a
Kill
hostage.
him. Okay, get in there.
Yeah. I don't mean to be so fucking like, oh, this is how you should run your shit. I have nothing better to do right now. I don't have anybody to talk to anymore.
Come back.
They almost shot me. Keep the dicks in the dirt, boys. Your dicks in the dirt.
I almost got shot. They said, get him. Oh, I'm a POW. Don't shoot me.
Get your loads, get your loads. Fuck those guys. Fuck those guys. Alright, boys, we're gonna fuck them up. Let's go. Hey, get your loads, boys. Up and over, up and over.
Up and over.
Up and over.
We're going.
Tired of these fucking
Let's go.
Alright, get him. Come on out, you're being rescued. Let my people go. Come on. No. This way. Go. They're coming. Go.
I will meet you. Go. I will hold the ball.
There is canister incoming real quick. So
Go.
that was possible machine. How are you?
I just took the fuck off. I am going the right way, right? Alright. Oh no. My guy's out of shape. Yeah.
No, I'm good.
Yeah?
Keep going. Keep going to Maine. Keep going.
They didn't catch me. Well, no. We, you, them, I don't know.
Get in the house. Now we can control
Hey. We're both in there now, so.
Hostages are secure.
Oh. Problem.
Good stuff.
Looks good. Step off of it a little bit.
POWs, are you in the house?
Yes,
yeah.
Okay, just checking. Love you.
At least you know it's cool. Yeah, see?
Hoss, how would you...
They're coming left. They're coming left.
Oh yeah, good, good. Let me know when they enter 10 yards.
Rocks at him.
Aggressively remove his testicles.
Landscape is your car will be burned.
They always get food, man. Why do they always get food?
You guys see them up there? You guys see them up there? Southeast.
Your mom was
I'm just looking around because I hear War Machine's voice, but I don't see his name.
With her last night.
Keep your fire.
Oh, really? No, usually one guy carries it. I don't think you guys do well as teams.
Well,
Okay.
you want to think...
Bird volley down the road, south.
Bird wallet.
South. Aim.
And...
It's been a minute to talk about.
Load.
Reload.
Pokemon.
Neil load.
Pokemon. Whatever
That
they're
was
called.
Where'd he go?
Italian. Skirmish formation.
Everybody else spread out right.
Spread out right.
Magpie,
Spread out right.
stay exactly
Stay
where
put,
you are.
Magpie.
Stay put, Magpie.
Take it easy.
Alright, boys, independent five.
Independent fire.
Shoot him in the fucking mouth.
Gonzo, Rabbit, CC.
What? Say again.
Gonzo, Rabbit, CC, hold fire.
Oh,
Everybody in
Roger.
left
Hold
magpie, independent. No. Everybody in left magpie, independent
So Magpie, Woogie, Jonesy, Canada, Nowat, you are all at Independent Fire.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Gonzo, Rabbit, CC, take that flag out for the house.
You can only go so far right, otherwise we're just there.
Alright, you heard him, Rabbit.
Hi, boy. Oh, shit.
Million IQ player right here.
Kill him! Kill him, Gertie!
Kill him!
You have the flag!
Kill
that guy!
I'm trying, but I can't hit him
They
good.
poked me in the dick, boy.
No, they're running!
They
Kill 'em
poked
all.
me in the
They're
dick.
running!
Oh, wait.
Fuck. Push them out
No! I had to watch our friend.
First and see back on the fence, back on the fence.
That's right.
Alright.
Alright, wait, I forgot. We can't leave until taking losses. Let's go back upstairs.
Did you guys see that shit?
Well, first and see back on the fence.
Flag burr.
Hey, y'all prisoners see that shit? You see what
Alright,
happened?
here reloads.
We ate the rats. That's what.
That's right. We don't
I
bend
would've
over.
I love the horn. It's
And at the beginning, like the really beginning.
I don't want to die.
Alright.
Oh,
Hey,
tell him.
Colonel, is Simons in the sky?
Yes.
They're moving towards the house.
Alright, hold, boys, hold. It's okay. It's alright. Well, we can't do anything until engage, so we have to just take it
The 33rd still dying.
Alright, boys, behind the house. Literally behind the house. Alright, hang on.
You can't really see the house.
Can't see.
That fucking chevron's in the way.
No, that's wrong. I'm wrong. I can't see anything behind me.
I don't know, maybe if somebody'd stop dying.
Okay, it was just one guy. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry, me and Tom Cruise are already best friends. There ain't much higher than that.
Would you like to have anal sex with Tom Cruise?
What do you think I'm doing after this?
Wow.
Okay, well then you have to join the church. He doesn't give it for free.
I'm already in the church. Me and Tom Cruise are fucking homeboys.
Are you sure you're in the church? 'Cause
Yeah.
I don't remember meetings. I don't remember you at the meetings.
Alright, well, that's because I go to the LA
in front of
branch.
us, southeast, right where the cannon
Listen, the LA branch. Hey, wait, the LA branch doesn't exist.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, look right. There's more.
Wow,
More.
alright. Finish me those fellas.
Shit, I might have to.
Oh, alright, they're chasing us,
Yeah, they're gonna thank us. Retreat. Get behind the big rock.
Get that bitch.
Yeah. We got him. Yes, sir.
Sending it. There you go.
There's too many. We're getting our asses chewed out. Come on, let's go.
Are any of them out?
Did he die in that, or did he escape? Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
I was gonna do the sacrilegious ribbon to everybody involved if he had been killed.
Jake. Rise up.
No, I'm just over here talking about penises with the Confederacy.
Molly.
Oh yeah, well, it went from Tom Cruise to alien gay sex. I'm just kneeling in my corner, just listening to it.
Maybe you got fat fingers.
Now, boys, don't like to be the bearer of bad news.
I'm
but
the father ass.
you're the other
Well, my mama's a
regiments
whore.
surrendered.
I hear.
Let's
Okay,
see
man,
the
get up your ass.
You can go.
I mean, he's getting into it too, so.
Okay.
That side, Speedy rocks.
Yeah.
Let it pop out.
There they are.
Oh god, that was close. I just heard a ding. Oh god!
Good. Alright, so there's about 8 of them.
How's the gunny doing? Damn it.
Here they come.
That's why.
On my wings.
There we go.
Back. There we go. Hey, we got some.
Fuck.
Fuck.
Boys.
You should listen to this conversation that they're having.
Well, I guess since we're here next to the door. Hi, I just recently moved to the neighborhood, and I need to tell you that I am a registered sex offender.
Oh, that's okay. we all are.
Stacked bodies here.
Yep, stacked bodies.
When kids walk through here, it's like the fucking Hunger Games. You never know.
Well, hang on, wait.
Did you just say you had that whole conversation on film?
People getting married at 14 all the time.
Oh no.
So Hey, coming up on the right.
On the fence.
No,
That's friendly. That's right.
From the charge?
No, we saw friendly chevron.
Oh my god. Oh man.
Alright, boys, I made it back. Huzzah!
Okay, guys, we're moving up.
We're moving. Up the hill, boys. Up the hill.
Moving out. Moving out.
Shoot as many as you can all the way up.
I guess they realized they weren't doing it after 4 volleys.
You want bayonets?
Might it be wise to move into those rocks?
I don't want to take those rocks, I want to fall back. Get your loads. Head
You want full
northeast.
kit?
No, not yet.
Load and hold. Ceasefire first and
Listen.
no.
That's my bad. My bad. Everyone okay? Alright, at the smoke. At the smoke to your front. Alright, at the cannon. Back! Alright, we're gonna take intermittent fire at the weapons free though. Oh shit, you're naked.
He don't know that. He don't know that.
Stay nailed. They're about to volley.
How you doing, Caleb?
We are part of the 19th Indiana, so...
I don't know.
Fuck.
I'm probably the second Wisconsin.
What do you mean you take it?
Where is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
give him
where's the bullet? Oh god!
Yeah.
I didn't.
Hold fire.
You're not that good. Oh, I'm that guy. You that guy?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Jack, I don't know where to fire.
Chick.
Base in the house.
Base of the house.
You know those little confetti cans in that light, man? That's where you should.
Fire! Reload!
See? Fully towards the southeast. Aim.
They got into a suicide kind of.
Fire. Load.
Yeah, they're wide open. Holy cow, they survived. Oh my goodness.
They're off to the east as well. That's friendly. That's friendly. There's their flag.
Yeah, I don't know how we survived either.
Alright, guys, shift west.
One shot, shift west. One shot, shift west. Moving up to the right of me, to the right of me.
right in front of my eyes.
I know.
Alright. So they can't actually hear us. I think we should just wait till 5 minutes and then we run.
Oh no, it's not. Shit.
Yeah,
I need to recondition.
Are we allowed to do that? I thought they were supposed to come and get us.
No. I'm saying when they'll get here around like 5 minutes.
Oh.
If they come before then, we'll just tell them run away. Come back. Probably shouldn't do that, but
We're on the south side.
Probably not.
Let them fucking defense. We don't gotta do shit.
Yeah, sure.
Let them come to us in this valley. So be it. They're fucked.
Looks like most of their regiment's gonna be up on that hill.
Yeah, they're
Probably
probably
sure see a
sitting already.
flag passing by the area.
It's just this event.
Oh, yeah, you're right. There is blue flag.
Yeah, I think so. I think it just went down.
It's the 20.
You let me know before the charge, though.
Kim,
Yes.
we were doing pretty good at skirmishing, sir. We were getting some good shots.
Where's the paper? I need papers.
Paper got fucking sold.
Hey, gentlemen, do you mind go telling Paper that we're finna do he's just charging guards?
Well,
Alright.
okay, I'll find it.
Battle on to the right.
Battle on to the right.
Battle on to the right.
yeah, unfortunately we don't have any good artillery.
Standing by.
Alright, boys, melee.
Alright,
Melee mode.
You guys are we're finna do it. Be prepared.
Italian. That's double quick.
At the double quick.
March.
Poor bud.
Quick for March.
We're going in, paper. Yeah, we're going in.
Okay.
Melee mode.
Barbecue ribs! Barbecue ribs! Barbecue in the house! Barbecue in the house!
We're Yankees. Best thing we have is fucking Brooklyn party. Kill them all, boys.
They're coming,
motherfuckers!
I must go again.
Oh, wait, we're still engaged, right?
20th, we're leaving.
What?
We're supposed to be out.
Wait, we're engaged.
We're engaged. Supposed to be taking losses.
Get the pressure. 20th. Fucking serious?
Get in.
Yeah, someone yelled for us to get out, so that was our that was kind of our bad, but kind of their bad as well.
Hey,
Did you die? Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, they were yelling. It was like, prisoners, get out. I was like, oh, okay.
So they can just jump in there straight away.
Wow, they opened the door.
They're coming
Artillery.
on the left. On the left.
As soon as you break those locks, it'll be free.
Shoot him!
Get on this side of the fence.
Oh, shit.
Dude, I just had 2 artillery rounds land like 3 feet from my.
I'm downstairs.
Oh shit! You saved me.
We can't die, Nitro.
So how do we get these prisoners out here?
And then there's
You gotta get out. Taking losses.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the not
Yeah.
You guys gotta, you have to break the locks. Break the locks.
I wish I could open.
They're using this.
Up they're dead. Pull it back. Pull it back.
It worked. Dude, he missed you. How did he miss you? He was right there. How did he miss you?
You want to do some sewing?
I'm sure he's shitting in his blue steel.
Oh, Jumbo.
You have a pretty good stance there, Gonzo. 1 foot's up on the
Want to sew me so I can show some shit? I don't know what the fuck they did.
Actually, never mind. You sound 14. Never mind.
Yeah. See, they tree.
What?
Get away from me.
I want to get your back knocked out.
You just called me 14.
Load hold, boys.
Maybe.
Lone hold.
I don't know.
Lone hold.
How to keep your behind us.
Going left. They're going left, Jack.
Say again.
Going left.
Alright.
Alright, they're coming on the fence to fire. Stay kneeled.
They kneeled.
You're spading us. Once they volley, we'll volley.
Alright. Screw the fence.
Of course, we could understand it.
Reference flag in the open. See it?
Yep, both flags.
Chest height, steady. Fire.
Reload. God.
Load.
Awesome.
He needs you. Why? I want to make
It's not even my line.
Oh, wait, that was you talking.
They're coming down.
Reload. Melee mode.
Spear wall, boys.
Independent fire. Independent fire.
Keep your distance from each other, boys. Don't all get killed by one arty. Yeah, you got this. Hey, double quick, bud, double quick. Double quick.
You can only do. Yeah. Sprint is only for 5 minutes.
What?
That's why I was saying the last 5 minutes we could sprint, or we should sprint out.
Fine.
Of course, that was assuming that they all knew. Shit.
Oh yeah, good work.
Oh shit.
Come on! I have ammo to shoot.
Alright, boys, back to spawn. Let's go, boys. We got it.
Did you beat loser?
No, he's just up on